Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now, take a look at this. Will the July 25 meeting end the XRP case? Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commissions have been engaged in a protracted legal struggle for quite some time. Recently, the SEC has rescheduled a meeting that had been earlier canceled to take place on Thursday, July 25. The cryptocurrency community is in a state of expectation as a result of this postponement, with many individuals concerned about whether or not it will ultimately bring an end to the protracted litigation. Breaking of the critical trend line on the weekly chart for XRP Bullseye, following a tweet from a prominent analyst named Captain Fabic, which announced a significant technological advancement, the cryptocurrency world is vibrating with excitement. The bulls of XRP are reportedly making another effort to break through the crucial trendline barrier that is located on the weekly timeframe chart as expressed by Fabic. The outcome of this endeavor is considered to be extremely important for the future price fluctuations of XRP. Earlier, as reported by CNF, the Securities and Exchange Commission decided to cancel its meeting behind closed doors. The meeting was supposed to examine a variety of key concerns regarding cryptocurrencies, including the upcoming Ripple settlement. Speculation and concerns have been raised within the cryptocurrency community as a result of the postponement of this meeting. These concerns and speculations concern the potential results and ramifications for Ripple in the greater market. The aforementioned trendline resistance, which is a component of a symmetrical triangle formation, has already been, which suggests that the price of Ripple may surge by more than 300, possibly surpassing the $2.5 mark. A surge of this magnitude would indicate a huge period of revitalization and expansion for the cryptocurrency, which would attract new traders and investors. Ripple's recent performance has shown amazing trade volumes, particularly in South Korea, where XRP just exceeded Bitcoin. This has contributed to the momentum that has been building toward the cryptocurrency. This increase in trading volume is a reflection of a growing interest and confidence in Ripple, which highlights the potential of Ripple to become a formidable competitor in the cryptocurrency business, because it has the potential to bring about clarification and a possible resolution to the legal issues that are associated with Ripple. The upcoming meeting of the SEC is extremely important. Investors and members of the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole are eagerly awaiting the ruling, which may have far-reaching implications for the legal landscape and the future of XRP. Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency has increased by more than 6% since the Securities and Exchange Commission rescheduled the meeting that was planned to take place behind closed doors. This has reignited hopes for a potential settlement in the decades-long legal battle that has been going on between the two companies. Speculation that a resolution may be on the horizon has been stoked by the meeting, which is now scheduled to take place on July 25. The Securities and Exchange Commission initially planned to hold a meeting behind closed doors on July 18, which fueled the optimism of the XRPU community on the possibility of a resolution to the current lawsuit against Ripple. On the other hand, their aspirations were dashed when the agency unexpectedly postponed the meeting the day before, which caused the price of XRP to plummet to a low 5,448 cents on July 19. A positive outlook has been sparked as a result of the most recent action, which has resulted in an XRP trading at 5,938 cents, which is a daily increase of 6.76. The XRP cryptocurrency has had bigger increases of 17, 50, 40, 54, 40, and 20.1 over the past week and month, respectively, which is something that should be taken into consideration. Despite this, the 24-hour trading volume of the token, which is presently at $2.14 billion, has experienced a severe decline of 15. Bill Morgan, an advocate for XRP, highlighted the amazing price activity of XRP in a post on X. This event occurred after the SEC revised its notice of the meeting. An assertion made by Morgan was that XRP emerged as the token with the best performance among the top 10 crypto. The meeting is anticipated to cover a variety of topics, such as the establishment and resolution of administrative processes, the resolution of litigation claims, enforcement proceedings, and other related topics. The general public will not be able to access particular facts that are discussed during the event because the discussion is being held behind closed doors. The price of XRP increased by 8.1 on July 16, marking the first time since April that it has risen beyond 60 cents. This increase is being fueled by speculation that Ripple Labs may resolve its ongoing legal struggle with regulators in the United States for good. With a total market capitalization of 237 cents trillion, this spike stands out in comparison to the whole cryptocurrency market, which experienced a decline of 1.7. New heights are reached by the open interest in XRP, although anticipation about a possible settlement continued to grow the SECV. Ripple case continued to be, the legal analysts believe that it is highly improbable that Ripple and the SEC will settle, considering the recent victories that the company has achieved in the courts. Mark Fagel, a former attorney for the Securities and Exchange Commission, refuted rumors that a settlement was being discussed. When asked about the continuing negotiations with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse did not provide a great deal of information during an interview with Bloomberg Television. Nevertheless, he expressed his optimism that a solution will be found shortly, citing a prior court order that was favorable to Ripple of the situation. According to this verdict, XRP sales to ordinary investors on exchanges were not considered securities, which challenges the regulatory authority of the Securities and Exchange Commission. As was mentioned in our earlier piece, the SEC's meeting that is scheduled to take place behind closed doors on July 18 has only served to add fuel. According to Fagel, these sessions that take place behind closed doors are extremely common and do not reflect any form of settlement discussions. The investors are also anticipating the decision that the court will make about the subject. It is important to note that in March of 2024, the Securities and Exchange Commission requested a fine of $2 billion in the injunction related to the sale of XRP institutional investors, while Ripple offered a fine of $10 million. A ruling that's favorable to Ripple with a reduced penalty and no injunction would be regarded as a big triumph for both Ripple and the digital asset market in the United States. The recent decision made by Binance has brought the cryptocurrency market to the forefront and influence people's perspectives on whether or not XRP is a commodity or a security. In this particular instance, Judge Amy Berman Jackson issued a ruling that contradicted the SEC's position, stating that secondary sales of Binance Coin do not meet the criteria of the Howey test for securities. To highlight the disparity in the SEC's approach, Judge Jackson referred to the decision that Judge Annalisa Torres made on the programmatic sales of XRP. The open interest in XRP has reached highest levels because open interest has reached a year-to-date high. XRP, which had remained unchanged at approximately 5 cents, has demonstrated resilience. If we take into account both spot and futures contract, the XRP open interest has reached a staggering $602.06 million, as indicated by the data provided by Coinlise. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.